भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान्स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्य स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। तृतीयं प्रकरणम् अद्वैताख्यम्। टीका। तर्कावष्टम्भेन द्वैतवैतथ्य निरूपणं परिसमाप्य अद्वैतम् आर्थिकमपि तर्कतः संभावयितुं प्रकरणान्तरं प्रारिप्सु रूपास्य उपासक भेद दृष्टिं तावदपवदति। तर्क अवष्टम्भेन, with the support of tarka. Avashtamba means alambanam. Tarkavashtambena dvaita vaitathya nirupanam parisamapya. Having completed dvaita vaitathya, dvaita mithyatva parisamapya, advaitam arthikam api. Even though advaitam arthikam means it is the essential message, teaching, tarkatah sambhavayitum. It is possible to establish advaitam through tarka also. Prakaranantaram praripsuhu. Praripsuhu prarabdhum ichuhu. Praripsuhu. One who has desire to start. Prakaranantaram anyat prakaranam prakaranantaram. Upasya upasaka bheda drishtim tavad apavadati. What he does? Upasya upasaka bheda drishti. That there is this division of I am upasaka and Paramatma is my upasya. This is negative. Upasana shrito dharmo jate brahmani vartate pragutpatte rajam sarvam तेनासौ कृपणः स्मृतः। उपासना आश्रितो धर्मः। धर्म मीन्स जीवः. In Tika he has given जाते ब्रह्मणि वर्तते. ब्रह्म which is जातम, which has जन्म. उपासनाश्रितः जाते ब्रह्मणि वर्तते. उत्पत्तेः प्राक् अजं सर्वम्. प्राग उत्पत्तेः अजं सर्वम्. तेनासौ कृपणः स्मृतः. So before utpatti everything is ajam. What is his thinking? This upasana ashrita jivas, is upasakas, that earlier everything was ajam, Brahma. Now there is Jata Brahma, Brahma which has Janma. Jate Brahmani Vartate. It is called Kripanaha. Tika. Dehasya dharanat dharmo jiva. Dharma is dharana dharma. But what does it do, dharanam? It's a deha dharanam. Jiva actually, according to Panini Maharshi ji, Jiva is prana dharane. But here it is given deha dharanam. But if you see in dhatu, Jiva dhatu, you see, did you find? Jiva dhatu is prana dharane. Bhavadi gana, parasmay padi, set dhatu. So here it is given for deha dharana. भूत संघात आकारेण जाते ब्रह्मणि. Brahma which is now appearing as Bhuta Sanghata, assembly of this Panchamahabhuta, Akarena Jate Brahmani, Tad Abhimanitvena Vartate. Tad Abhimanitvena Vartate. See Tippani 234. धर्मपदस्य यथोक्त व्युत्पत्त्या जीवपरत्वे गमकत्वेन उत्तरं वाक्यं व्याचष्टे भूतसंघाताकारेण इति देहात्मना इति यावत्. If he had said pranadharane, then actually then also bhuta sanghata you can say, because prana is also bhuta sanghata, but it is only rajoguna. But deha has all panchamahabhuta put together. So that's why Bhuta Sanghata, assembly of Bhuta, Akarena Jate Brahmani iti upasaka abhiprayam sahi Brahmaiva Jagadatmana Parinatam Tat punar Brahma Drishtya Upasyamanam Brahma Sampadyate iti Manyate iti Bhava. That Brahma alone is now Jagadatmana Parinatam. Brahma has become Jagat. Then when I do Brahma Drashtya Upasana, then Upasyamanam Brahma Sampadyate. So if I do Brahma Upasana, then again I will become one with Brahma. In other words, there is Brahma. Jagat has come out, Jiva has come out. So this Brahma is not Brahma anymore. Jiva and Jagat are out of it. Now that Jiva sees Jata Brahma, then he will meditate and he will become one with that Brahma. So this is somewhat like Vishishta Advaita, but during Gaudapadacharya ji, Vishishta Advaita was not there. भर्तृ प्रपंच वदेर, भर्तृ प्रपंच मतम और एकदेशी मतम और भेदा भेदवादी भट्ट भास्कर, भास्कराचार्य. So some of them, they had different ideas. So that is what is eliminated here. They accepted upasana or samuchaya. This Bhartru Prapancha, they have accepted Jnana Karma Samuchaya. Bhaskaracharya ji, they have accepted upasana, etc. So all of them are eliminated here. पुनः ब्रह्म दृष्ट्या उपास्यमानं ब्रह्म संपद्यते इति मन्यते इति भावः. 4 नंबर टिप्पणी तद अभिमानित्वेन इति देह मात्रे अहम मम अभिमानित्वेन इति यावत्. In deha matra there is aham mama abhimana. I am this only, in this way. Further in tika, tad abhimanitvena vartate. Tad means deha abhimanitvena. स प्रागुत्पत्तेः अजम सर्वम इति एवं कालावच्छिन्नम वस्तु मन्यते. What does he say? प्रागुत्पत्तेः अजम सर्वम. Before creation, everything was ajam. Now things are different. Means Brahma is kala avachinna. In one kala it was different. In other kala it is different. So kala bhedena Brahma bheda, Brahma vastu bheda. प्रागुत्पत्तेः अजम सर्वम इति एवं कालावच्छिन्नं वस्तु मन्यते. स पुनः उपासनां पुरुषार्थ साधनत्वेन आश्रितः तदेव ब्रह्म प्रतिपत्स्ये शरीरपातात् ऊर्ध्वम्. उपासनाम आश्रितः, having taken ashraya of upasana, what does he say? And that is his purushartha sadhana, moksha sadhana. Tadeva Brahma pratipatsya. I will once again attain that same Brahma, Ajam, which was there, Utpattehe Prak. And when will I attain it? Not now. Sharira Patat Urdhvam. After I drop my body, I will attain that Brahma which was there before creation. This is his idea. So right now I am not Brahma. And right now, Brahma also has become something different. Brahma has undergone modification. I have undergone modification. I will do sadhana, upasana, slowly I will become previous Brahma. Brahma pratipatsye. Pratipatsye is bhavishyat kala. Pratipat पद धातु प्रति उपसर्ग पूर्वक अहम प्रतिपत्स्ये. Let us see. So this is in Divadi Gana. चतुर्थ गण दिवादी गण. आत्मने पद धातु प्रतिपत्स्ये. प्रतीज उपसर्ग. पत्स्ये they have given. Those who know, otherwise I will read you, just listen for now. So there also lat lakara, sorry, lit lakara, kartari lit. In lit lakara, the lit sheshecha, and in that the pratyaya will be it. That id vahi mahi is there. id vahi mahi, so that it will be the pratyaya. In tiptas ji, sipthastha mibvasmas, ta tanja as athandvam id vahi mahi. So it, then pad plus one sutra will come, tita atmane padanam tere, so it will become a. tita atmane padanam tere, pad and a is there, and sya, syatasi nrilitoho, another sutra. So pad sya a, padsye, so that padsye will become ato gune and kharicha. Syatasi lilritoho. This is called what is this? Vikarana pratyaya. Vikarana pratyaya will be sya, and tip pratyaya will be it, which will become a. So pad sya a, padsye. Ato gune sutra will come, and then kharicha. So the will become ta, kharicha. प्रतिपत्स्ये शरीरपातात् ऊर्ध्वम् इति एवं यतो मिथ्याज्ञानवान् अवतिष्ठते तेनासौ कृपणो अल्पको ब्रह्मविद्भिः स्मृतः चिन्तितः इत्यर्थः. So because of this, because he has this mithya jnanam, he is mithya jnanavan, avatisthate tena asau kripanah, alpakah, is a kripana, alpakah, brahmavidvihi smrutah. Wise people, they think he is a kripana, he is a miserable fellow. Kripana means conjuice also, miser. ब्रह्मविद्भिः स्मृतः चिन्तितः इत्यर्थः. प्रकरणान्तरम् अवतारयन् वृत्तम् अनुद्रवति. So now we go to Bhashya. Prakaranantaram avatarayan. Now we are going to, Bhashyakar is going to introduce this Prakarana, Advaita Prakarana. Vrittam anudravati. Vrittam means what is already said, what has already happened. Anudrava, he is like making it flow. Means he is recapping, he is writing it down. Anudravati. Dru gatau. Dru dhatu will become dravati. So anudravati. ओंकार निर्णय उक्तः. ओंकार निर्णय is done. प्रपंचोपशमः शिवो अद्वैत आत्मा इति प्रतिज्ञा मात्रेण. प्रपंचोपशमः शिवः अद्वैतः. This was said in प्रथम अध्याय. प्रतिज्ञा मात्रेण. So no yukti was done in the beginning, and it was explained ज्ञाते द्वैतम न विद्यते इति च तत्र. In that first Prathamadhyaya, Jnate Dvaitam na vidyate was also said. Dvaita bhavastu, tika. Tasya hi, see Anand Giriji, how he has so much interest in writing, even though some things are already said in Bhashya, almost he repeats. You see that line. तस्य हि निर्णये प्रथमे प्रकरणे प्रपंचोपशमः शिवो अद्वैत इति विशेषणैः आत्मा प्रतिज्ञामात्रेण अद्वितीयो व्याख्यात इत्यर्थः. He has almost given the same line. What he has added is तस्य ही निर्णये प्रथमे प्रकरणे तस्य ओंकारस्य निर्णये, because ओंकार निर्णय is done in प्रथमाध्याय, and in that ओंकार is indicating प्रपंचोपशम शिव अद्वैत आत्मा. That is given अद्वितीय व्याख्यान. द्वितीय प्रकरणार्थम एक मिनट. द्वितीय प्रकरणार्थम संक्षिप्य अनुवदति ज्ञात इति. ज्ञाते द्वैतम न विद्यते. तत्रैव आद्य प्रकरणे ज्ञाते द्वैतम न विद्यते इति अत्र प्रतिज्ञा मात्रेण द्वैता भाव उक्तः. So this is what I was saying. He is writing lot of things. What is given in Bhashya, he adds some things, but he likes to write. And secondly, he likes to follow Bhashyakara. This is his good quality. Dvaita bhavaha. See, all the words are already there in Bhashya. He brings them, and even like lot of tika, what he writes, let us say in Mandukya, 3rd chapter, for example, some words might be there from Bhashya of 1st chapter or 2nd chapter, or something might be there from Brahadaranyaka Bhashya, which he puts here in Mandukya Tika, and what is there in Brahadaranyaka Tika could be there from Mandukya Bhashya. Of course, he has independent things also. I'm not just saying he has just only copy paste from here, there and all. But there is nothing wrong in taking Acharya Ukti and making it little simpler and presenting. And if somebody just wants to study Bhashya only, no Tika, then that is also okay. We don't have a problem. The Bhashya now. Dvaita bhavastu vaitathya prakranena स्वप्न माया गंधर्व नगरादि दृष्टान्तैहि दृश्यत्वात् अंतवत्वादि हेतुभिः तर्केण च प्रतिपादिता. And स्वप्न माया गंधर्व नगरादि दृष्टान्तैहि, by these दृष्टान्त, स्वप्न maya gandharva nagara etc., the vaitatyam, in the vaitatya prakarana, with the help of the hetu दृश्यत्व आद्यंतवत्व आद्यंतवत्वादि हेतुभिः तर्केण द्वैत भाव was प्रतिपादिता. टीका. सतु द्वितीयेन प्रकरणेन, if Bhashyakar says Vaitatya Prakana, he will say Dvitiya Prakana. If Bhashyakar says Dvitiya Prakana, he will say Vaitatya Prakana. Hetu Drashtantatmakena, because Hetu is there and Drashtanta is there. तर्केण च प्रतिपादितो न अत्र प्रतिपादयितव्यम अवशिष्टम अस्ति इत्यर्थः. Nothing else is remaining. Everything has been already said. So तर्केण अत्र न प्रतिपादयितव्यम अवशिष्टम इत्यर्थः. तृतीयं प्रकरणम आकांक्षा पूर्वकम अवतारयति. So then what is there in third तृतीय अध्याय अद्वैत प्रकरण? अद्वैतम किम आगम मात्रेण प्रतिपत्तव्यम आहोस्वित तर्केण अपि इति अत आह. should Advaita be explained only through Agama or Ahosvit or otherwise Tarkena api or with the help of Tarka also? Iti atah shakyate Tarkenapi Jnatum. Through Tarka also this can be explained. भाष्यकार said immediately. टीकाकार से नैषा तर्केण मतिरापनेया इति श्रुतेः अद्वैतम कथम तर्केण ज्ञातुम शक्यम. It already said नैषा तर्केण मतिरापनेया इति श्रुतेः अद्वैतम कथम तर्केण ज्ञातुम शक्यम. हाउ कैन वी नो अद्वैतम थ्रू तर्क इति आक्षिपति. तत्कथम तत्कथम इति अद्वैत प्रकरणम आरभ्यते. तत्कथम, how will you explain this through tarka, where it is already said that through tarka you cannot get the jnanam. So he says in tika, swatantra tarka apraveshe api, even though swatantra tarka pravesha is not there in Shastra, in Brahma. 7 number tippani says agama ananurodhi ityartha. Swatantra means without agama. Agama anurodhi is okay. Ananurodhi means without agama. Swatantra tarka pravesha is not there. Tarka pravesha api. तस्मिन् आगमिक तर्कस्य सहकारितया संभावना हेतुत्वात्. आगमिक तर्कस्य सहकारी, आगमिक तर्क इज सहकारी, आगम अनुकूल सहकारितया संभावना. व्हाट डिड आई रीड? संभावना ओनली. हाँ, सहकारितया संभावना हेतुत्वात्. विद द हेल्प ऑफ आगमिक तर्क संभावना इज देयर हेतुत्वात्. तर्केणापि ज्ञातुम शक्यम. विद द हेल्प ऑफ तर्क आल्सो वी कैन नो. इति व्यवहार उपपत्ति ही इति मत्वा आह. इन दिस वे व्यवहार विल हैपन. व्यवहार उपपत्ति. आगमिक, प्रीवियस पेज 8 नंबर टिप्पणी इज आगम अनुकूल. आगमिक मीन्स आगम अनुकूल. एंड ऑन दिस पेज 127 सेकंड नंबर टिप्पणी व्यवहार उपपत्ति ही मीन्स एवं भूत शब्द प्रयोग उपपत्ति ही इत्यर्थः. एवं भूत. वेर इज अद्वैत? अद्वैत प्रकरणम आरभ्यते इति. So with this introduction to Tritiya Adhyaya is also over. That Vyavahar Upapatti will be there. Vyavahar Upapatti means Atma is of this nature. Evam Bhuta Shabda Prayoga Upapatti. Atma is Advitiya. Then Yadi Tarkena Advaitam Sambhavaitum. From there we will see in the next session after Ashtami. We will continue. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः.